Hello, everyone. Got a bit of a part two here for you. Didn't expect this to be happening, but it's kind of the right time of the year. People are buying retro stuff for Christmas and all that good jazz, and they're trying to, when it happens, remove stickers from old games that have some stuff on them that shouldn't be on them. So, of course, people are trying to fix things up. Very recently, Hank Castle, channel on here from Kentucky, has actually done their own little video short now of showing how they get rid of stickers. Ronson here is their go-to apparently. So I got some. Still have my Gugon over there, but as I can easily tell you here and now, neither of them are perfect unless Secret Castle has something they can tell me about how to deal with something real nasty like this. This is actually a game I got from them. I haven't gotten a chance to play it yet, but I've been trying to gradually fix it up so it's not got all this sticker crud all over it. That's my only complaint. And still, the Ronson has done some damage to this. I'll have before and after photos on here, so you can see what the changes have been. But it still is resilient to anything I've got, and I've even been trying to go at it with the little pick here. So it's just been an absolute pest. However, I will say that their method has some warrant. My Star Tropics here had a sticker all over on this. That got rid of it. Ronson finally got rid of that dang thing. There's a little tiny bit of misty residue on it, but for the most part, you can't really tell that it's even there anymore. Also, I didn't realize somewhere along the way I must have given away my previous copy of Final Fantasy. My actual copy, my original copy, has been stolen many moons ago, so I'll never get that back. The previous copy that I did have, I believe was technically my buddy Mike's anyway, so I might have actually given it back to him. I'm not sure. But I decided to go up my most local of game stores that would have a copy, and got a hold of Freak Toys, which did have a copy of Final Fantasy. And they had a sticker back here. Got rid of that with very little residue on there. There's some nastiness on the one side here. Got rid of that, and there was also some nasty crud along here, as well as whatever the heck was going on here on the main cover. So this was apparently a sticker or something. They never finished cleaning it. I got it. There's also some brown crud up here that I got rid of most of as well. But the main sticker here what seems to have happened here is that maybe a previous owner tried to clean it, did a really lousy job, and kind of fried the edges of the sticker and then fried a hole right in the middle of it trying to scrub something off. What I've done is essentially I removed the fried protective covering that they left behind, and so now it's just a mostly unprotected hole right in the middle of the sticker. You can barely tell it's done any damage to the sticker itself outside of the little bit of weird white edging. I'm not sure how I'm going to fix that. Also, couldn't find out. Underneath that big rattle, which is, I would assume normal, there's a little bit of a little rattle. I get the feeling we need to pop this boy open and find out what's going on in there. Like something got stuck in there or something. But yeah, I'm kind of displeased with this copy of Final Fantasy. There's been a lot of issues with this guy. I had to do a lot of cleaning up, and it sounds like there might be something wrong on the inside. I'll have to pop it into something one of these days and see if it's actually working. But I would assume, being a relatively good chain, Freak Toys wouldn't sell me something that's defective. So I would assume it's still working, but maybe just something got stuck in there from a previous owner. But yeah, that's been my long and short of it on Ronson attempts to clean. Again, if there's anything that Hidden Castle would like to share for any other extra techniques that they know of to get rid of really nasty, tough stickers like that thing. I think it said it was a Best Buy sticker or something at one point. There was like barely like a couple half of words, and I think it said it was some sort of Best Buy sticker. if they have any clue how to get rid of that without damaging the poor thing, I guess maybe they'll show something eventually. Always my best bet is maybe I'll just have to replace the front of the case or just the whole sticker at the very least and cover that over. But thanks for tuning in. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed. And also, by the way, most of it was done with Q-tip, a little bit of paper toweling, and again, when it got real nasty, a little bit of the scraper, very carefully, trying to peel some of that stuff off. But that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and hope you enjoyed it and found this slightly informative. Goo Gone, not that trustworthy. Have a good one.